Hello, my friends. It's Miss Becky. I'm going to do a science experiment for you this evening. It's called Save the Queen, but in our case, it's called Save the President because there's a president on the back of a quarter. So I have a plate, and the president is currently drowning. He's underwater. He doesn't know how to swim. I don't know if he actually knew how to swim, but we're going to say he doesn't. I'm going to light this candle, and the candle is burning. So I have a plate with water on it where the quarter is submerged by water. I'm going to just move it away from the candle just a little bit so we can see. And what we need to do is figure out how we can save the president from drowning without moving the quarter or without taking all the water away. The only tool I have is this cup. So we need to think about things we can do. I said that we can't just move the water. If I put the cup over the quarter, it doesn't look like anything happens. If I start to put the cup over the candle, what starts to happen to the candle? Oh, the candle went out. We don't want that to happen. Or do we? Let's see. I'm going to light it again. Make sure it's burning. We're going to see what happens if I put the cup over the candle because I can't actually think of anything else to do. So I'm going to put the cup over the candle and slowly the candle goes out. But what happened to the water? Actually, the president is no longer underwater, but is there more or less water in the cup? You guys will actually notice that there is more water in the cup and less water on the plate. The reason for that is because when the candle was burning, fire needs fuel, ignition, and oxygen. So the fuel was the wax. Ignition, I had lit it so it was burning, and it was using the oxygen that was in the cup. But when I put the cup over the candle, it burned up all the oxygen that was in the cup and created carbon dioxide. And then there was less air inside the cup than there was outside the cup. So the cup actually drew the water in to equalize the pressure. So there was the same amount of air in the cup as outside of the cup, saving the president from drowning. And sometimes this cup isn't quite strong enough, but you can lift the plate up if there's good enough suction, but you will notice that the candle is floating. So there's your science experiment for the evening. Hopefully you enjoyed it.